Happy New Year. Hi, this is Chris from the Torrance Center. I want to remind you that we're going to be offering the Flexible and Strong program continuing this year. Last year we did about 5 months of it, and the members continued, took it over and over. A lot of them reduced a lot of pain, they felt stronger, so the benefits were there. And I've done some with deep stretching, some with flexibility. I'm going to combine them a little bit more in a different package this year. So I plan to isolate different muscles and use the flexibility to help us recover more, to find the best combination of both. So it's evolving and it's improving. So I want to show you, we'll use some light weights. These are some 5-pound weights here. So it doesn't have to be heavy. You can use water bottles at home if not. And we'll do certain upper body movements. So for our biceps, for our triceps, we'll do some lower body things where we do some squats. We'll do some work for our core. If you have limited back problems, we can always use a chair to have a seat to help us get support. So there's gonna be modifications. And then for the deep stretching, we'll use some props like a cushion to put under your knees or to sit on. We may use a hand towel or a yoga strap, but things that you have at home. If you don't have a yoga strap, a hand towel will work. I'll usually give you a video like this that kind of leads you into what we're going to be doing. So if you want to improve your strength, if you want to reduce your pain, if you want to help manage things like osteoporosis, arthritis, strength and flexibility are the best way, and we're going to do it in a very mindful way that you can do comfortably from home with what you have accessible. And if there's any questions, you can always let me know. I hope we see you in January, and I hope we can see you throughout the year as we all get healthier, happier, and more peaceful together. Thank you.